Experiencing a black screen or no audio in your Nissan Qashqai's infotainment system? You're not alone. These issues often stem from software glitches, hardware faults, or electrical problems. Start with a simple hard reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. Check your vehicle's battery voltage. It should be 12.6 volts or higher. Also, inspect fuses related to the audio system in the cabin fuse box. For no audio issues, a blown fuse is a common culprit. If problems persist, the system may be waiting for an update. Consider also any recent accidents or power surges that may have caused the electronics to malfunction. If basic troubleshooting fails, perform a factory reset through the settings menu. Note that this will wipe your data, so back up important information first. For deeper diagnostics, use an OBD2 scanner like BlueDriver to check error codes. The U1000 code indicates a communication failure that may require professional attention. Install software updates via OTA or dealership, especially for pre-2023 models. Nissan Recall 24V123 affects 2018-2022 models with freezing screens, fixed by firmware updates. If you're uncomfortable with these steps or encounter persistent issues after resets, consult a Nissan dealer or mechanic. Hardware problems require specialized tools and expertise.